Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for your car. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Car window windshield cleaning tool for home and auto glass and mirrors. It includes collapsible handle and 3 reusable microfiber terry pads. Unique design reaches hard to clean curves, corners, and angles. Microfiber pads safely lift dirt from surfaces. Foldable handle for easy storage. Machine washable and reusable pads. Streak-free and lint-free. 3 pads per pack. Next, the last coat. Ceratrime tire shine. Restore interior and exterior faded surfaces. Ceratrime uses popular and effective ceramic technology to bond deep into the pores of plastic trim surfaces, removing the impurities that have built up in the plastic and effectively restoring bumpers, trim, mirrors, vinyl, plastic, handles, bed liners and more. Take sun-faded plastic, rubber, and trim and revitalize them to a good as new appearance that lasts a very long time due to being true restoration, that doesn't simply wash off. Long-lasting surface protection. Unlike most trim products, Ceratrime is a true ceramic coating that will give your trim surfaces superior hydrophobic and self-cleaning properties and will protect your trim for the long haul under any driving conditions while restoring them to a newer appearance. Ceratrime can be used on all trim pieces throughout your vehicle, inside and out. It can be used on engine bay plastics to restore their appearance, as well as used as tire shine. Designed to keep surfaces looking like new by applying restorer and protectant, you can prevent premature wear and fading caused by UV rays and dirt. Ceratrime is a ceramic-based trim restorer, not simply a dressing. It does true restoration on all trim surfaces of a vehicle as well as covers and similar types of surfaces. Ceratrime can be layered to get an even higher shine or deeper wet look, and even more protection. It can be reapplied over time as desired as well. Next, Chemical Guys Foam Wash Gun. If you love cars, then a clean car brings you nothing but happiness. The Torq Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun makes cleaning your car fast, easy and fun for the entire family. It easily hooks up to any standard hose, so there are no additional tools or machines required to produce foamy cleaning fun. The detailer's secret. Car wash foam is one of the professional secrets to a scratch-free car wash. The Torq Foam Blaster Foam Gun turns a car wash into a foam bubble bath for your car. Bathing a car with slick car wash foam removes abrasive dirt particles gently and without grinding them into paintwork. Next, 4 Kelvins Dual Dash Cam. The dash cam offers top quality 4K with Sony sensor on front camera and on rear camera that captures super clear view. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Wide-angle dual cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the UCam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. What's more, video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information, which will become your important evidence. Sony Sensor and Super Night Vision Dash Cam. With Sony Sensor improves low-light sensitivity, allowing clear imaging in low-light environments. It ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments. Car license plates can be easily seen. 24 hours parking monitoring. G-Sensor Loop Recording. With the dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G-Sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. Seamless loop recording will be automatically overwrite old files. Recording will be looped automatically. Next, Corbil Magnetic Dashboard Car Mount. All new magnetic car phone mount exclusively compatible with Phone 12 Pro Max Mini. Accurately match the magnet ring inside the phone, no need to stick metal plate. Using the 2021 all-new Super Magnet developed by Corbil Lab especially for the extreme use environment of vehicle bumping. The force can reach 2 times of the official, 50 times of the old magnetic car mount to Phone 12 series. 360-degree angle adjustment and holding, easily switch between landscape and portrait. The front uses high-tensile silicone specially made for MagSafe to make sure it will not deform after long-term use. All silicone wrap, does not hurt the phone at all. Next, blind spot mirrors. Unique design car door mirrors, mirror for blind side engineered by Utopiker for larger image and traffic safety. Awesome rear view. Mirrors have a unique engineered design to solve your blind spot problem and show a bigger image of what is really needed by drivers. You don't need to see the sun in your mirrors like other mirrors will show. No fail adhesive blind spot mirrors, only outdoor and water rated adhesive and high reflective silver film mirrors for these mirrors. Afraid of changing lanes? You know that anxious feeling when changing lanes or merging highways and not knowing if there is a car right next to you. It is a horrible feeling for you and for the other driver. That's why this unique engineered design for better visibility.